In this video, we are fixing that annoying issue where pressing enter accidentally sends your message in ChatGPT before you are actually finished typing. When you type out a prompt, pressing the enter key on your keyboard acts as the default button to submit your message to the AI immediately. This can be super frustrating if you want to organize your thoughts, write out a list, or give the AI multiple steps to follow in a single prompt. Keeping your instructions separated into clean paragraphs actually helps the model process your request much better, giving you far more accurate responses. To create a clean line break without sending your message, all you need to do is hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press Enter. When you hold Shift and hit Enter, the cursor simply drops down to a brand new line right below your text instead of submitting the message. You can do this action as many times as you want to space out your text, create separate bullet points, or structure complex ideas into clear sections. If you make a mistake or add too many lines, you can easily fix it by hitting the backspace key on your keyboard to pull the cursor back up to the previous line. Now, the important thing to keep in mind here is that this shortcut relies entirely on physical keyboard input. The main issue with relying on this method is that it only works smoothly on a standard desktop or laptop physical keyboard. If you are using the mobile app or typing on a touchscreen device, your phone keyboard usually displays a dedicated return key that creates line breaks automatically, while a separate send button submits the prompt. However, if you are using a mobile browser version without a physical keyboard attached, holding Shift is not an option, so you lose that precise control and have to rely on whatever default layout your touchscreen keyboard provides. Once you have spaced out all your thoughts and finished typing your full prompt across multiple lines, you can simply release the Shift key and press Enter by itself. Clicking Enter without holding Shift will trigger the system to submit the entire structured message at once. Now, you can comfortably format your long prompts, keep your ideas neat, and get much better responses without prematurely sending unfinished text. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.